You clicked on the video. That's a good start. I really hope that this whole burrito thing isn't getting annoying, because I've got another one here. This one is a little different, okay? I usually do a little bit of research, do a little bit of work on this. It's not just winging it. This one is winging it. I had another plan. I was gonna, and I still might do it, I don't know, but I was gonna shoot another video, and then I realized, will it burrito? I think it will. So we're gonna find out together. I haven't done any testing on this whatsoever. We're just gonna throw it in a tortilla and see what happens. Crazy person. That's what they call them, crazy burritos. If they were normal burritos, they'd just be called burritos. But yeah, will a ham casserole burrito? Oh, I don't know. We're going to find out together. So what do we have? We have some potatoes au gratin right here. Those are, homemade because I made them here at home. And we have a bunch of ham. Now, this is a spiral cut ham that had some janky, weird, glaze. No. First of all, I hate spiral cut hams because it's the easiest way to lose all the moisture out of it is to chop it up ahead of time and then cook it. It's like pre-chopping up your hamburger and then cooking it on the grill. That's not going to work out too good. So spiral cut hams are a complete waste of a perfectly good God's animal. Don't like them, but that's what I have. So it's okay, you bag it, you do the things and all that. You can come up with something that's reasonably decent, and that's what that is right there. And what else goes in a ham casserole? Well, you got to have some sort of veggie, something like that. So we have a carrot here that I am not going to use because that's disgusting. It's a burrito. We don't need vegetables in our burritos. If we were going to be eating vegetables, we wouldn't have one of these. So anyways, I do eat vegetables, okay? Eat your vegetables, kids. It's important if you want to grow up big and strong and tall and all those things, not have your teeth fall out, eat your vegetables. But today we're starting with our 12-inch flour tortilla right here. It's a tortilla, it's not a burrito. Maybe in a different episode of this that you just saw, maybe you didn't. Maybe I'll put a link right here to the other burrito thing I did where I just kept calling this a 12-inch burrito. It's not, it's a tortilla. I know the difference. Well, we're going to take this, we're going to take our super cheesy, super creamy potatoes here. Now these have been reheated and you can see the oil from the butter and the cheese is kind of oozing. Oh, that's how you know you got really good potatoes au gratin. Let's go potatoes. This is going down. I don't know how much to use. I have no idea. I'm just putting it in. How's that? That sounds like a thing. Cheesy potatoes in a burrito. What could go wrong at this point? I have absolutely no idea. What else does this need? It needs the ham. It needs lots of ham. You're going to have lots of ham in this. I've diced this ham up so it's easier to eat, because if you get a big chunk and you're trying to tear that thing out of a burrito, it's going to tear your burrito apart. So, oh, come on. Who am I kidding? There we go. All right, that looks amazing. We got a little bit more of our oily, greasy bits. Come on. Crazy burrito. It's not a perfectly sane burrito. Is that all that's going in it? Close. Secret weapon, hot sauce. Oh, come on. It's a burrito. Hot sauce. You gotta have hot sauce in this. Hot sauce on ham and cheesy potatoes. Have you ever been to a really nice steakhouse where they have like the chipotle cheesy potato thing and all that? Well, there you go. No, it's not even close. But it's the best I can do. And we're just going to roll this up. We're going to bring in our sides. We're going to fold this over. And we are going to make sure we pinch, tuck, and roll it burritoed so far. So far. But we got to put a little on this to make it super wonderful. Where I'm just going to throw this back onto my comal over here. And I'm going to heat it up. And I think I have figured out how to link things to buy stuff. So if you want a 14-inch comal, you can get that on Amazon. And I will have a link in the description down below. It might be an affiliates link, and I might make like half a cent off of it if you buy one. So, woohoo! Rolling in it. Oh yeah. I figure if 3 of you do that, I mean, that's like, what, 1.5 cents I might make off this? Oh, finally turning a profit with this channel. Because big expensive burritos like this, man, it takes a little bit of work here. But we're just going to crisp this thing up real quick. I'm going to stop talking. And there you go. Let's go over there. To the pan. The cast iron pan is smoking hot. She's 450 or so degrees. I got a little bit of butter in it. Put the seam side down first. Roll it over after about 30-40 seconds. You get that nice little crust on it there. Give it about another 30-40 seconds. And you've got all sides browned up. Let's eat this thing. She's back, folks. That's a nice little bit of crispy on there. What I found is that doing this step really takes it from kind of a boring burrito to super yummy awesome. Might be the only thing Taco Bell does right these days is do their grilled burritos. You can put cheese on the outside of this thing and make it a grilled cheese outside burrito, but there's so much cheese in those potatoes, it don't need any extra cheese. You know what it does need? To be cut open, to be inspected, to be photographed, and then be eaten. Let's do the first part. We're going to cut it. Come on, we got to put a nice diagonal on it so I can get a nice thumbnail out of this. Oh, the proper cut. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You know when you did it right. When Oh, I think this one's a good one. She's warm. She's amazing. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see it? Can you see? She's dripping all the gooey goodness out of it. My God. Okay, I am going to, before anything else falls out here, I'll shoot the thumbnail super quick. Put the stuff back in it. Shoot the thumbnail real fast. You won't even notice. It'll be over in the blink of an eye. Watch. That was easy, wasn't it? Told you. Super quick. Now we're going to bite into this thing. We're going to find out what it tastes like. What it is. I'm excited. I'm starving too, by the way. She is a drippy. So I'm going to try and get the haunch on here because this is a messy one. I'm going in. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh. You know what that needs? Carrot. Said no one. That's really, really good. And those potatoes are super, super rich. Because I'm a crazy person, I use a lot of heavy cream and cheese and everything else in there. That is a really, really... Oh, maybe I'll do a thing on those potatoes at some point. Because that would kind of help if you were trying to recreate this. Because otherwise, it's not really going to taste like that. But if you have this stuff laying around, if you just had a ham and you've got the potatoes au gratin or scalloped potatoes or something like that, it'll burrito. You can do it. Throw it in there. Make sure you put the hot sauce in it. The hot sauce is bringing it to life. Oh, it needs a hot sauce. If you don't like hot sauce, I can't help you. Oh, because it's so good. Seriously, folks, this is friggin' delicious and amazing, and I thank you for watching this video because sometimes I just get a wild hair to try something new, and it's fun to do it. This one is just completely impromptu. Impromptu. Okay, that word's lost all meaning to me now. I didn't plan it very much other than food go in tortilla and food go in mouth. Happy tummy. That's all the plan we needed today to make a great video and a great burrito. Hopefully it's a great video. I don't have any idea. I honestly have no idea. The editor guy makes me look good. I'm the editor guy. Yeah, this is all fixed in post, folks. So if you're watching this and it turned out okay, just know that it was a train wreck here in the kitchen, and yeah, it got fixed in editing. Because believe it or not, I'm not the most professional person for doing these sorts of things. I just have fun doing it. And it seems like people want to watch this stuff. So thanks for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. It is awesome. It's fun. It inspires me to do more fun stuff like this. If you are the first time here and you're like, hey, that guy's a little weird, but I don't know, maybe there's something about it. You stop talking like that, first of all, because you sound like a 1930s gangster or something like that. But you also might want to hit the subscription thing down there. It's completely free, and there's a notification bell. You can do that because all of these things help. The channel grows because you guys help it grow. It's not about me, it's about you guys. So thank you for watching this thing. I hope to see you on the next video, and until then, have a good one.